minus 4 x square y. So it is second. Okay. So now we have to find the common factor. So first among the constants, between the constant, what is the common factor? Highest common factor? 2. Right, 2. Now with variables x cube, x square. So what will be common? X square. And y square, y. Now what will remain inside? Both these terms now will divide by 2x square y. Okay. Either you divide it now, 2x cube y square divided by 2x square y minus 4x square y divided by 2x square y. So 2x square y, what will come to get cancelled? X, y minus here 2. So this will be the answer.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, why we take 2x square y? Sir, we cannot take 2xy as the common factor.
Okay. Okay, you took 2xy. Okay. If you took 2xy as a common factor, so what will remain inside? X square y minus 2x. Is this answer you're getting? Okay, now see here, again we are having common x. Again we can take x out. So 2xy into x. So it will be xy minus 2. So it will be 2x square y xy minus 2. Now we don't have any more common factors. Have you understood now? Because here we are again having x as common. So we have to take x again as common. So we have taken out.
Sir,
Yes.
so can you tell me the page number? I joined now only.
Okay, it's A43. A43.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, you all can do one thing. You can make one, like page mark is there. Either you can have something like that, or with page as well, fold it and paste it here. Or a thread you can paste, put it here. Okay. Is this clear now? Because here still x remains common. So we have to take x out as well. Now there is no common factor between them. So we are getting the same answer. Is this clear now? Okay. Now move to first one. So who is going to solve sixth first today? It is.
Sir, can I?
Okay, just a minute. Okay, you solve it. A5A plus 6B minus B 5A plus 6B. So what common you will take?
5a plus 6b.
5a plus 6b.
So see here, the whole expression is a common factor. This is one term. Sorry. This is the second term. So the whole expression is common. We'll take it out. Okay. So 5a plus 6b is common factor. Now what is
A
remaining
minus
here?
b.
A
A
and
minus
here
b.
a minus b. So this is the answer. Anyone have doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Second as well, you do it.
Sir, please tell again.
Okay. Okay, so this is the question. We have to factorize this one. So you can see what is common here. This is our first term. This is our first term. This is our second term.
Sir, your video is not very clear.
Is it clear or is the voice clear?
Sir, others clear but not yours.
Yes, sir.
Voice also clear.
Is my voice
Yes.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
do one
sir.
thing. Still I
Yes,
disconnect
sir.
it. Okay, I disconnect it once and reconnect it once. You keep doing the questions. Okay, is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. So, okay, so that's the issue on your side. Okay, so see here we are having two terms. Okay, here we are having two terms. Okay, now first terms, sorry, first term and second term, what is common? 5a plus 6b, 5a plus 6b. All
Sir, can I
expressions,
join again?
yes, you can join again. Okay, 5a plus 6b, 5a plus 6b. This is common factor between these two terms. So we'll take it out, 5a plus 6b. So what is remaining? A is only remaining, B is only remaining. Or you can do it like this, 5a plus 6b is common. Now divide both terms by this one. A 5a plus 6b, 5a plus 6b minus b 5a plus 6b, 5a plus 6b. Okay, this is the common factor we write and we divide both terms by this one. It get cancelled. What is remaining? A minus b. Now clear to everyone. Okay,
Yes, sir.
second one you do yourself. Second one do it yourself. Anyone who haven't got the second one or isn't able to do the second one? So what will be the common here in second? X minus
Sir, now
3y.
also not clear.
Okay, that will be the
3y.
x minus 3y. That's an issue on your side. Okay, you can check the video afterwards. I'll upload it. Okay, x minus 3y will be common. What will remain? 4 minus
4 minus 2y.
4 minus 2y. So this is the answer. Anyone who haven't got this one? Anyone in class? Okay. Now we start with seventh. Yes.
Sir, but the answer in book is not like this. Sir, our answer is coming is not same.
Fourth. Okay. Sixth. Okay. We have to do further. See here. Here there is no common here. Here again common is there between these two terms. What is common? 2. So x minus 3y into 2. 2 minus y. So we can write is 2 x minus 3y 2 minus y. Yes. We forgot to factorize it further. Is this clear now? So here again we have the common factor. 2 is the common. So we will take 2 out as well. Okay. Okay, now seventh you do. Seventh, what will be the common among these three terms?
X minus y.
X minus y. So what will remain inside the bracket? X minus y. Now, what will remain? A minus b plus c. Plus c. Anyone who haven't got this answer? Anyone in class? Anyone who haven't got this answer? Okay, second one. Himanshu Thakur, you tell the answer. Engineer.
Yes, sir.
So what will be the answer of second one? 2x, 2a plus 3b plus 3y, 2a plus 3b minus 4z, 2a plus 3b. So what will be common? So we
Sir,
are
I'm
having,
calculating.
okay, calculate intense. We are having three terms. What is common among three?
x minus y.
So 2a plus 3b will be common. We take 2a plus 3b out. 2a plus 3b. And what will remain inside?
2x
2x
minus 3y minus 4z.
minus 3y it is.
Plus 3y. Plus
Sorry, sir.
3y.
Plus 3y.
Plus 3y minus 4z. So this will be the answer. Okay, second you do as homework, third you do. Okay, rest you complete as homework, third you do all. All do the third one. Okay, 7th, third will do, rest you do as homework. Everyone do the third one, 7th, third. Is a plus b, 2a plus b plus 3a plus 2b, a plus b minus a plus b, a plus 4b. Okay. Do this one. So what will be common?
A plus b.
A plus b.
A plus b.
So we write a plus b. And inside the bracket, 2a plus b plus 3a plus 2b minus. Now tell me the terms. What will be the terms? A plus 4b or a minus 4b?
A minus 4b.
A minus 4b, because this minus a minus 4b. When we open the bracket, minus a minus 4b. Is this clear? Don't make mistake here. When we are opening the bracket, then it will be minus a minus 4b. Or before that one step, so here it will be like this. Like this. So when we open the bracket, here it will be minus sign. Now solve it further. So 2a plus 3a, 5a minus a, 4a. A plus b, 4a. B plus 2b, 3b minus 4b.
4a minus b.
Minus b.
Minus b. This is the answer. Is this clear? Any further common factor? There is no further common factor, so we stop here. Okay. So rest of the exercise, only 2 questions are remaining. You do as homework. 7th. Any doubt
So
till
we
now?
have to write in full detail, or we can write only answer.
Here you have to write full detail. How you got the answer? One step must be there. To write that step is important. Okay. Okay. Now we start. So see, yes, please mute yourself. Everyone.
Sir, can you tell what?
Sir, explain, sir. Third, second.
Third, second. This
There
exercise
is
has
four.
only 4a. Okay. Third, second, see a 6a minus 8b. 6a minus 8b plus 12c. Okay. So here see first the constants. What is common among the constants? We are having 6, 8, 12. What will be the highest common factor of 6, 8, 12? Either you calculate on this side. Find the highest common factor of 6, 8, 12. It will be 2. It is 2 only. So take 2 out. A, B, C. No common factor among the variables. So leave them as such. Only 2 is the common factor. Now 6a divided by 2 minus 8b divided by 2 plus 12c divided by 2. So it will be 3a minus 4b plus 6a. Any further common factor do we have? No. So we stop here. Is this clear now? To
Yes,
find the
sir.
highest common factor of 6, 8, and 12. Highest common factor of 6, 8, 12. That is 2 only. Okay. Now we can check as well. Is there any further common factor? No. So we'll stop here.
Sir, can you explain 7/3 again?
7/3. Okay. Okay. So we have taken common out a plus. Okay. First I write the 2a plus b plus 3a plus 2b, a plus b minus a plus b, a plus 4b. Okay. Now see what is common factor? A plus b. A plus b is a common factor. So we take a plus b out. A plus b. Okay, this time I am putting this one bracket, square bracket. Now what is remaining? 2a plus b plus 3a plus 2b minus a plus 4b. This is remaining.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now open the bracket. A plus b,
2a plus b
2a plus b
plus 3a plus 2b
2b minus,
minus
now open the
2a
bracket.
minus 4b
Minus a minus 4b.
4b.
Now solve. Now solve within the bracket. 2a plus 3a 5a minus a 4a. So a plus b. Now again back to the simple bracket. So it will be 5a 4a. Now b plus 2b 3b minus 4b minus b. Is this clear now? Do pay attention here. Minus, when you open the bracket, minus sign will be for both the terms. Minus a minus 4b. Now solve them. Okay. Now see here. Here what we have done, we have taken the common factor out. Okay. So sometimes the terms are not rearranged. Sometimes we need to first rearrange the terms, then take the common out. First I'll give an example. See here. An example is there. For example, AC plus BD plus AD plus BC. Okay. Now see here. What we can take common out between these two terms? Is there anything common between these two?
No,
Is there
sir.
anything,
No, no, sir.
any common between these two? No. So it means we have to rearrange somewhere. Okay. So this time see here. What we will do? First we take the first term. Take the first term AC. Is it common, having common with any of them? Second one, no common. Third one, yes, A is common. So we can group it with third one. Okay. Now take the second one. Is it having common? Now what is remaining? Last one. They are having common. So first we need to rearrange the expression. Okay. So in the first exercise, what we did? We simply took out the common factor. Okay. But sometimes if it is messed up, we need to first rearrange the things. Then we take the common factor out. Okay. So now if we rearrange, after rearranging the expression, it will be written as AC plus AD plus BD plus BC. Okay. This is first way. Okay. Now
Sir, it is necessary to rearrange them.
see here. Is there any common factor between first two terms? No. There is no common factor. We have to find the common factors. To find the common factor, we must have the terms having something common. Okay. So first two terms, no common factor. Now take the first and third term. Sorry. First and third term. There is A as common. So we can group them first and third. Now take the second one and the remaining one. Is there any common? Yes, there is common. B is common. So now we have rearranged it. Okay. There's other way also to rearrange. We will arrange it here. Okay, we'll see it here. Okay. Now we have rearranged. Now between first to see here, they are having common. They are having, as well having common. So we'll take what common out? A is the common factor. C plus D. Here, D
So
is the
we can
common.
also as a common.
Yes, we'll see here. Okay, just wait for a minute. It is D plus C, or we can write C plus D. Next expression we can write C plus D plus B, C plus D. Now what is common? Now again we are having two
C plus
terms.
D.
C plus D, C plus D is common. So we'll take C plus D out. C plus D, and what will be remaining inside? A plus.
A plus B.
Okay. Now
A plus B.
other way. Okay. Now take the other way. AC plus BD plus AD plus DC. Okay. Now AC term. I can group these two also because they are having C as common. And these two as well I can, yes or no? It can be rearranged like this as well. Okay, we'll see whether we get the same answer or not. Okay. AC plus BC. Now here BD plus AD. What is common between first two? C, A plus B. Here D is common, B plus A. We can again write C, A plus B plus D plus B. We can write it like this. Now what is common? A plus B. A plus B into C plus D. Are they same or different?
They are same.
Same.
They are same.
Sir, same.
Commutative law of multiplication we
Same.
already know. A into B is same as B into A. So they are same. So whether you first and third you do or first and fourth you do. Okay. We are just looking for the common factor and we have to rearrange the expression. We have rearranged it here. We have rearranged it here. We are getting the same answer. Okay. This is clear?
So we can take 1 also as a common factor.
One is common for everything, so we avoid that. One is common from everything you can take. Okay. Now you write it like this into 1. This is also same answer. 1 is a factor of every number. Okay, any doubt
Sir,
here?
Sir, fourth, B, first, third.
Just a minute. Okay. So when we will group them, see here. First we'll check whether there is any common factor. If there is no common factor, we need to rearrange. If we are finding that first and some other term is having the common factor, we rearrange the expression. Okay. We can rearrange the expressions as per our requirement. Okay. Okay, I give you one more question. So it's for example only I'll give you. Okay, this one you do xy minus y minus x minus 1. Okay. How you are going to do this one? You can go with rearrangement or the straightforward as well you can go.
Sir,
Okay.
minus y, y minus 1.
Okay, see here, without rearranging, if we go with this, so what will be the common? Y, x minus 1. Here it is x minus 1. Okay. Is it possible now? If you put the bracket here, it will be x plus 1. Have I written the question correctly? X minus y minus x. X plus 1 it is. 1 minute. X plus 1. Okay. Now without rearrangement as well we can solve it. X. So y common. X minus 1 minus. Now so put the bracket x minus 1. What is common? X minus 1. And what I will write here?
Y minus 1.
Don't make don't write y here. Only y, don't write. It means y minus 1. See it here. Y into x minus 1. Minus of x minus 1 is written. So if I take x minus 1 out, here what will be the remaining? Y. And here it is 1 into x minus 1. So y minus 1.
Sir,
Or
can
you
you
can-
explain again?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Can you
sir.
explain?
Okay, I'll write it again. The whole question will start it again. Okay. So question was xy minus y minus 1 plus x. Okay. This is the question. Now, which terms should I take? This is first,
Sir, the
second,
question is wrong.
third, fourth.
Sir, plus 1 minus x.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
minus
Plus
x.
1 minus x.
Plus x. 1 minute.
Sir, x is there.
Minus x plus 1. Okay. This is the question. Okay.
Sir,
These
what
are
is
the-
the page number of this question?
Okay. Just look on the board. First, look on the board.
A44.
A34 it is. Now, what is the common between first and second term? Just look on the board.
Y.
This is very important.
Y.
Y. We take y out. So what will remain? X minus 1.
Minus 1.
Okay. What is remaining here? X plus 1. This is remaining. Now, if I put these two terms in bracket, what will happen to the plus sign?
Minus.
Minus. Minus.
It will become minus. Okay. Now you can check as well. If, as you open the bracket, minus x plus 1. Again, we are getting the same. Now what is common?
X minus 1.
X minus 1.
X minus 1.
So take x minus 1 out.
How, sir, how, sir, this will become, sir, x minus 1 in the bracket?
Okay. If this is there, x plus 1. Open the bracket, what will be the answer? Minus x minus 1. Or if this is x minus 1. Now minus x minus minus plus 1. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So if we put both in brackets, that means minus will be for both, minus x minus 1. Now as you open the bracket, minus x minus minus plus 1. So inside the bracket, minus of x upon x minus 1 minus x minus 1 upon x minus 1. So it is x minus 1 into y minus 1.
Minus 1.
Okay. Or you can avoid this step as well. You can simply write it as x minus 1. Now x minus 1 from the first term we have taken common out. So what is remaining? Y. And from here x minus 1 we have taken. What is remaining here? 1. Don't forget it about 1. 1 into x minus 1 is there. So x minus 1 we have taken minus 1. Now you can check again. Okay, multiply x minus 1 with y, you get the first term. Multiply x minus 1 with 1, you get the second term. Is this clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone have doubt here in this question? Okay. Now we can rearrange also. Here we can rearrange as well. First and second are having common. First and third as well are having the common. So we can rearrange it as well. xy minus x minus y plus 1. Again we get the same answer. This time x will be the common. X, y minus
Sir,
1.
your video is not clear.
Okay. Once
Sir,
Sir,
it
it
is
should
clear,
be
sir.
clear.
Running in HTC,
Sir,
sir, very
wrong
good.
video.
see here, there won't be any problem in a video from my side. Okay. Voice sometimes it may happen because of Bluetooth connection. So whenever any trouble with voice, if you all are having, I will disconnect and reconnect it. But regarding the video, there won't be
Sir,
any
your
issue.
video is very good, sir.
Yes. So never worry
Sir,
about the
those
video.
those networks are not
it's
good,
okay.
sir. They have to apply fiber.
No, it's okay. No, sometimes it happens to other networks as well. So do one thing, just log out or log in again. Okay. So whenever you're facing any problem with the video, just log out once and log in again, or turn off my video and turn it on. Okay. Okay. Is it clear now? Just turn it off and turn it on again. Or any part you miss, you can check the video, upload that. Okay. So now take.
So sometime it is clear now, but sometime it is not coming clear.
Okay. So see here, do one thing. First of all, all the updates are there in laptop or computer or in your mobile. You make it to manually updates. Okay. Automatic updates you turn off, manual updates you do. Okay. First thing you do that and switch off all other apps. Okay. Is it clear now? Now, what will be common factor here? So we put minus outside, y minus 1. Again, y minus 1 outside. We take common factor y minus outside. What will be remaining? X minus
1.
x minus 1. Don't forget to write x minus 1. Few students used to write just x. That's wrong. You can check again. Okay, it is 1 into. If you are taking y minus out, 1 will remain there. Okay. This question is clear. Now we can start the exercise. So first part you do. Please don't put anything there in chat.
Sir, only 3 minutes left.
Okay, we can do 1 or 2 questions. So first question, I will ask someone ax plus ay minus bx minus by. Okay, so whom should I ask? Whom I haven't asked yesterday. Okay, Divya 8 Daisy. Divya 8 Daisy, answer this one. Simone, I have asked yesterday 2 questions already. Okay, so see here. Without rearrangement as well you can solve. With rearrangement as well you can solve. Either go without rearrangement or go with rearrangement. We can rearrange as well, or there is no need because first and second we are having as common and bs common in second, third, and fourth. Or so either we can go with these two like this, or first and third, second and fourth. So with rearrangement as well we can go, without rearrangement as well we can go, and we'll get the same answer. Okay, Divya, tell me. This whole exercise I'll be asking you. Divya. Okay, Divyanshu, you tell. 8 Daisy, Divyanshu.
Sir, video is not clear.
Okay, you haven't told till now.
See the question in the
Yes,
notebook.
sir, running in
See the
HD, sir.
question in.
Okay, see the question in book first. Okay, video can't be excused this time. And tell me how you're going to do. First, you tell me. So
A
there
plus
are
x
4.
plus a minus bx plus minus by. तो फिर ये क्या करूँ?
Please speak in English. Okay, what will take common? First and second as well there is common?
Sir, first we will take a common.
A common.
Let's
From
take
which
A
comes
common.
first and second? Okay.
Right, x and y.
So x, I have written a into in bracket x plus y. Okay. Now from
Here
third
minus
and
b.
fourth.
Common.
Minus b.
Okay. Minus b common. What will be inside the bracket?
Minus x.
How minus?
X
Minus b
and
what
y.
we have taken.
X
So,
plus y.
x minus y.
x plus y.
X plus y. Okay.
So
Now
it
what
will be-
common factor?
So it will
Yes.
be in bracket a minus y and
Tell me again.
in bracket a minus y,
A minus b.
a minus b, sorry.
Okay, okay, thank you. Okay, now see here, ax plus ay minus bx plus minus by. So first two terms we can take a out. From third and fourth, minus b we have taken out. Minus b we have taken out. What will remain? X only. Here, y will remain. As well, you can check if you open the bracket, minus bx minus by. We can as well check backwards. So we have written it correctly. Now x plus y is common. We will take x plus y out. And what will remain inside? A minus b. Okay, this is clear. Okay, next
Sir,
question.
time
Okay,
over.
time is-
Sir, time over.
okay, try to complete these two questions, first and second. First and second, try to complete. We'll discuss tomorrow. Okay. So see here,
Thank you, sir.
sometimes question rearrangement is required.
Sir.
Sometimes, yes. Yes, Tejas.
Sir, how sir in bracket x plus y is there minus b into x plus y? Sir, it will be x minus
Sir,
y.
those who understood this question, they can leave.
Yes, those who understood, they can leave. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. See, ask again.
Sir,
What you
please
Thank
ask?
you, sir. Have a nice day.
Sir,
Thank you, sir. Have a good day, sir.
Homework first and second. Okay. Thank you. Okay, you leave silently the class. Yes. What's the question?
sir. Sir, how sir
Thank
in
you, sir.
bracket minus b into x plus y is there x minus y? It should be.
Okay. Okay. See here, minus bx minus by. Okay. What we are taking common out? Minus b.
Time over.
Minus b. Yes, you can leave. Okay. Minus b we have taken outside. What will remain inside? X. Here minus we have already taken out. Minus b. Minus b we
So
have
what
taken
is
out.
homework?
Plus y. First and second questions. First and second question, you do all. Okay? First and second. If you don't get, we'll discuss. Okay? So, what is remaining? Minus bx minus by. See it here. If you are taking minus b outside, minus b, what will remain here? X. Here, minus b into y plus y. Now, if you open the bracket, minus bx minus ba into y minus by. We are getting the same thing again. Minus b we have
Sir, I
taken
not
out.
understand question number 6.
Okay, you haven't understood this one. Okay, minus a minus b. If I take minus outside, what will remain inside the bracket? A plus b. Is this clear? So minus is for both. Now, if you open the bracket,
Thank you, sir.
minus 1 will be multiplied with minus a, minus b. Okay, we'll discuss it tomorrow. So be there in class 5 minutes early. Okay, Ankush, Tejas will discuss there. Okay, thank you.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Revision exercise we have to do in notebook.
Yes, you have to do in notebook. In mathematics questions, you always have to do in notebook. Okay. Okay, thank you. Now we end here.
Thank you.